And the same thing him do to me to learn. Because when I look, him and I jump off, I go over there, I put him in a one corner, I talk to him like a brother. You understand? Him play that game there too much time for me, fall feet now. The first thing person him do that Ashley. I want him do it with Ashley, them go on and them go on and them go on and them go on and them go on. I'm gonna say, alright then, since I'm me at the bad apple in a relationship, since I'm me a wreck it, since I'm me a, you know, I'm gonna take for myself. And now when him and I are good, I'm gonna screen a card come out about them, me no look, me no up my mouth, me no say nothing. Because I know a person that does not get love don't know how to show it. If you don't get love, you don't know for show love. And that's just the truth. He was abandoned as a child. He don't get no love, he don't know for show love. You understand? Him don't know for show love. Young people can start scratch from dumpling and butter days. Him don't know for show love. So when I see him this was a big fat whale and him carry on him go, me no look on him. But cuss him back sometime, I block him sometime, I tell him for go on. Cause if you not get love, you know for sure love. But there's already. I'm going to tell you already before my class trip upon you. I do like, I say, oh, I don't want this, that woman here. I hang her up off of my phone. And when I reach for my platform, I change the topic. That's when I respect somebody to the ground where them walk on. Me are not things friend. If me are a friend, you ask me for a favor, me can do it, me do it. And if me can do a favor, if me can do a favor for you, me do it. And if you can do a favor for me, you do it, fine. Me not things friend. And it hurt my heart to say, but oh, the girl I go remember this, you can't diss nobody else, fabbi. You can't diss nobody else, so. You never can orchestrate to a good sentence like myself. Who you got this fire? You are your man a liar in a one. Cause you no left. You no left when the time just up in the country and you want to move. You no left. When the time just up in the country and you want to move and you sing for you use people kindness for weakness. I said to somebody already, but I know my mouth a spoon mouth, I don't want to say it. Your gift I book a flight to you for Panama. The same hotel with Jaydenn there, accidentally, coincidentally. Why why cars? Because I want to where him they don't it. Oh, I want to be where Jaydenn is at. Oh, Jaydenn, Jaydenn call lady and tell lady say, him in a deep distress. What kind of deep distress if in a I don't know much in number one. And the money is a problem. So what kind of deep distress if in a the same hotel in Panama, different room. And someone sit down and plan. Because him do it already with her again, I'm a fall feet. And him do it already with her, I'm a fall feet. And I see them travel. I say, alright then. Him come back again and him do it again. One day when him say them I war number one. And he make me tell oh, I'm done with her already. And I tell him, so listen to me. You can't make sure eat out your pocket. Ray, as a friend. And then, when I notice with him, when you tell him how you feel about him woman, him will accept it when him and her cuss. And when you talk the things that you can't see it in his face, it's not acceptable. I read you up in a look, boy. When I talk to them, you can't see it in your face, so you're not... You not accept it. You just work with it because of the media. You see 2 days after, when I say blame them this or oh, why you tell blame them for this, Fabby?
Give me the phone.
Never gonna make me know where the phone there. I have to come back for your phone.
Phone.